Peruvian food. It's got more flavors than a pack of Skittles. And it's one of those foods that have you start sweating and smiling at the same time. It's like hot yoga for your taste buds. Today on Poor Choices, we're marinating and roasting up one of Peru's best dishes, pollo a la brasa. Did you hear that rolled R? I'm learning. And while I have no idea if I'm saying any of my Spanish right, I do know it's seriously the best marinated chicken I've ever made. Traditionally done over charcoal, but we're roasting it in the oven for our backyardless folk and throwing a fun ají verde sauce on top of it. It's like drinkable crack. And if anybody out there makes crack, can you make crack drinkable? Maybe a little club soda, maybe a little lemon juice? Just let me know in the comments. Starting out, look at these gorgeous chicken quarters, y'all. They're like, John, make us sexy. And I'm like, don't worry, chicken, I got you. Now, first things first, we gotta make this marinade. We've got 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. 4 cloves of minced garlic for that perfect conversational breath. Next, we got 1 tablespoon of ground cumin and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika because we're fancy like that, and 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. And here's where we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of ají amarillo paste. It's got that Peruvian magic to it. 1 tablespoon of honey mixed with 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I did this in a small separate bowl just so the honey could incorporate better. And then we just pop that into the rest of the marinade. And finally, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of finely grated fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh mint, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric for that extra oomph, and 1 tablespoon of coconut milk, because why not? It's like a tropical vacation in your mouth. And right before we apply this marinade to our chicken, we can get the skin nice and loose by just taking our fingers and running it underneath. And I only recommend this with skin on chicken. If you just do a skinless chicken breast, you're gonna miss out on that amazing crispiness that goes with Peruvian chicken. And of course, chicken thighs are always gonna be better, or in this case, chicken leg quarters. Give that a whisking and then rub this marinade all over those chicken quarters like you're giving them a full body massage. Get it under the skin and all the nooks and crannies, make it feel sexy. Then pop them in the fridge and let them chill for at least 4 hours overnight if you can, and they're even better if you can go a full 48 hours. Trust me, patience is a virtue, especially when it's this delicious. Now time has passed. We're gonna preheat our oven to 375 degrees, and we're gonna place these beautiful birds on their royal throne, aka a rack over a baking tray, so we can get that hot oven air all around our chicken to crisp up the skin. And be sure to pour that remaining marinade all over the chicken. We don't wanna lose any of that goodness. Roast them for about an hour and a half until they're crispy and golden. I checked mine with my meat thermometer and they were temping at around 175 to 180 when I took them out. And while the chicken's doing this thing, let's make some magic sauce, ají verde. I'm terrible at Spanish. We got 1 cup of mayo, 2 to 3 jalapeños with their seeds removed unless you want to breathe fire, 1 fresh cup of cilantro so it's a nice green party in your mouth, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ají amarillo paste, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now for some more fun additions, we're gonna add half a ripe avocado for that creamy goodness, 1 tablespoon of pickled jalapeños for that tangy kick, 1 teaspoon of honey for some sweetness, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh basil because we're gonna keep it classy here, and 1 teaspoon of grated fresh turmeric for color and a little extra spice. And we're gonna blend it all up in our Vitamix here. And then while that's going, we're gonna slowly add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then blend it till it's smooth and dreamy, like a love song for your taste buds. Taste it, adjust it if you need to. Maybe it needs more lime juice, more salt, or it could just be perfect like that. And then it's just time to serve. Look at this majestic masterpiece. Serve those crispy golden chicken quarters with a side of this vibrant ají verde sauce and some french fries or roasted potatoes or yellow rice. Trust me folks, your taste buds are about to have a wild party. No hangover guaranteed, but somebody might catch something. And my poor choice today was just a simple Modelo beer because someone had left it in my fridge from a previous party and I was like, why not? Hey everybody, this is Poor Choices Kitchen. We have a Patreon link down in the description. $1 a month is all we ask for to pay for recipes in these here inflated times. And we also have YouTube memberships. That money goes towards the exact same thing. Expensive grocery bills and sometimes cleaning supplies and other little things. Believe me folks, I am nowhere near buying a Rolex with this money. But everything you do, no matter how big or small, goes a very long way in helping this channel stay alive and continue to create. So thank you for all your contributions. And I just want to throw this out here. Something I'm going to try to experiment with next is doing these on like some grilled wings. Because honestly, this would be amazing on the grill. I just did the oven because I wanted people to not be discouraged by not having a grill. But this will really shine with a nice little wood or charcoal taste to it. And I'm just thinking, ooh, Labor Day weekend's coming up. Maybe I'll just do like a bunch of Peruvian chicken wings. That might be fire. So stick around. Maybe I'll do that up. Anyways, enjoy it and I'll see you next time. Peace.